Last night I was running, slipped and fell. Running isn't a good thing to do while carrying a gun, obviously. But I was running after a dog that was chasing an animal. So, had my trusty shotgun, slipped and fell, and I tossed my gun away into a big pile of mulch. The mulch exploded up inside and got it all jammed up. The safety would only come part way off, like that. And the gun was jammed. It only come that far open. So this will probably never happen to you unless you're being an idiot like me. But I'm going to show you how to disassemble a live shotgun. This has all the cartridges in it. First thing you want to do is push this little tang down. Get them shells to pop out. Check to make sure it's clear. If you can see the black plug, sometimes they're orange, then you're all clear. Less firepower you have in the gun, the better. Okay, so you can only open it that far when it was jammed. Now what do? You got a live shell in there, you can't fire it off, the barrel might be plugged. The safest thing to do is point it away from yourself, have this piece of metal in front of you, that way the blast will come out the sides, not towards you. Very carefully get that plug off. Now there is a live shell in there right now, so you got to be real careful. Face shield would be good. Okay, you got the barrel slit off, and there's your death weapon right there. You just want to carefully pop that shell out. Now the gun's disarmed. Go ahead and take it apart real quick. Pull this pin out. Pull that out. Pull out both shell keepers. Slide this back. Pull out the bolt clip. Slide off your pump. Pull out your shell kicking. And pull out the bolt. Then you can clean the inside. If you got mulch, dirt, grime, you name it, whatever gets inside there and jams up the gun, you can get it out now. And it's perfectly disarmed and everything. And be very careful because there's no safety on this right now. So if you watch, pull the trigger, the hammer will actually drop. If that hits bottom, it may hurt it. On the old style, it will hurt it. But that has to be in the cocked, right there. Has to be in the cocked position to go back in. Got your bolt. Put that in so the firing pin is forward. And this part is up. Slide that part all the way back, right out there. Put your shell kick in these little holes. It's pivot holes. Drop that down in. push your bolt back far enough where you can drop this in. This will be the bolt keeper. Put your shell clips back in, dogs, whatever. Careful not to pull that trigger. In. Slide that part of the way back. Ready to fire.